episode of Project Talk, PropTiger's initiative to connect home buyers to the experts in the industry from the comfort of their homes. I'm Sneha Sharan, and today we're going to talk about Shivalik Sharda Park. I'm joined by a distinguished panel today. Ms. Margi Khatri, Sales Head at Shivalik Group. Welcome.
Hello, thank you.
Mr. Kanal Patel, Sales Head at Shivalik Group. Welcome.
Thank you. Hello.
Mr. Kunal Makwana, Team Lead at Shivalik. Welcome.
Thank you.
And PropTiger City Head for Ahmedabad, Mr. Kamal Chandani. Warm welcome to all my panelists.
Thank you.
Now, Shivalik Group has been a known name in the Gujarat market with many residential and commercial spaces to their credit since 1996. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their home buying journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I now request one of you from Team Shivalik and Mr. Chandani to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing.
I am representing PropTiger. We are a real estate advisory firm. We help our customers identify the right set of properties for them. We secure a good relationship with top developers of the country. We help our customers to secure a good deal from those developers. We charge absolutely nothing from our customers for the transaction and help them in closing the purchase process.
Thank you. Ms. Khatri, would you want to take?
Yeah, good afternoon all. I hope you all are staying safe. I'm very proud to announce myself as a part of a Shivalik. Shivalik is not just a name, it's a brand. And this brand has made with three main things: innovation, trust, and quality. We have been working since 1996, and so far we have made 60 plus projects, both commercial and residential too. We always choose a prime location and transforming them. And Shivalik has always taken pride in building landmarks. This journey has spread over 2 decades. As you know, we work in Ahmedabad, Surat, and Rajkot too. So far, we have so many clients, trustworthy clients who keep on investing with us and give us a very good reference too. Thank you.
Thank you, Team Shivalik and Ms. Khatri. Now, I'd like to play a small video that will help our viewers to get a better understanding of the project in focus today, that is Shivalik Sharda Park.
India, the fastest growing economy, is expected to soon be among the top economic powers of the world. Real estate sector in India is expected to reach a market size of $1 trillion by 2030. Like most prosperous and old cities of the world, Ahmedabad, the financial hub of Gujarat, has developed adjacent the riverbanks of Sabarmati. While transit-oriented development has made connectivity easier, multi-specialty hospitals, sports stadiums, and proximity to religious destinations and tourist attractions serve as an added advantage to investors. It is strategically located with great access to Mumbai and Delhi via both the railway line and national highway, and due to its steady transformation into an urban landscape, the city has turned into a house hunter's dream destination.
Shela is a developing suburb situated near to Ahmedabad city. Shela has become a hotspot for investors and real estate developers because of the availability of the recent developments. With such an impeccable array of offerings, many top developers have launched their landmark projects in Shela. One such prestigious developer is Shivalik Group. Shivalik Group is renowned for its overall quality across all the projects based on a prime location. The forte is fulfilling the commitments on and before time. Shivalik Group invests in a style that never ages and benefits from the word-of-mouth marketing. With over 55 plus constructed projects spread across 69.82 lakh square feet and delivering over more than 3,600 units under multiple joint ventures, Shivalik Group aspires for more in the future. Shivalik Sharda Parkview by Shivalik Group, situated in Shela, Ahmedabad, is a prime residential project planned and executed to cater the needs of residents. The project comes with modern amenities and luxury look that elevates your lifestyle. The homes are artistically designed to offer unimaginable space and ample cross ventilation for smooth passage of natural light and fresh breeze. Welcome to Shivalik Sharda Park, a perfect environment for your family to grow and thrive through all stages of life.
Shivalik Sharda Park view for you viewers. In the interest of time, let's quickly move on to the questions now. My first question is for Mr. Chandani and Mr. Patel. How is the Ahmedabad market and the real estate industry responding to COVID-19 and the change that it has brought about? Mr. Chandani.
So, like other industries, there is a slag in this industry as well. Reason being, people are not able to make site visits and they are not able to visit the developer's office. But yes, for the customers who have already visited the site or wherein or for the projects wherein virtual tour is available or some digital kind of tool is available, customers are making purchase. There are transactions happening in under construction properties also, because if the locality is well known, the detail could be shared over WhatsApp, over video meetings and all those stuff. We ourselves have sold an inventory of around 7.5 crores in the last month, despite of lockdown. So the movement is there. It is not as good as it was in the normal circumstances, but I would say that people are not refraining themselves. Those who have decided to buy the property, and for those whose financial are in place, they are not stopping themselves. They are actually leveraging this time to take the max out of the developer in terms of payment flexibility and other offers. So yes, there is a impact on the overall sales, but I will not say that the sales have come down to zero. There is a movement which is happening in the market. So for all those customers who are genuine home buyers, are not stopping themselves to make the decision.
Mr. Patel, what has been your experience?
Hello everyone, my name is Kanal Patel and I am working as a sales head of Shivalik Group. During this situation, we have seen some very good movement in this market. Shivalik is known as a good trustable brand with construction quality. That's why we have sold more than 100 million value of property during this lockdown. So definitely काफी movement अच्छा है.
I'd like to come back to Mr. Chandani again.
Yeah.
What is it that concerns home buyers in the market now? Is it the price of the property? Is it the uncertainty of the jobs? What is it?
So we are almost nearing 2 months since the lockdown has started, and we keep on talking to a lot of customers. So there are different concerns. So initially people were very skeptical about prices going down, and they have not seen any such change in the prices in the last 2 months. Mostly all the reputed developers have kept their prices stagnant. They are assuring their clients with price protection policy. So the question of prices going down or property prices slashing big time has gone down. Second question from your question is that the customers are worried about the job uncertainty. Yes, there are few set of customers who are actually fearing job losses, which is why they are holding their decision of purchasing the property. But I will not say that there are major job losses happening in market like Ahmedabad. It is always a prospering location, and so few of the customers who are actually skeptical about job losses are staying back in their decision. Otherwise, those who have their finances in place are not stopping themselves.
They're making the most of their time. Coming to you, Mr. Makwana, what are the USPs of Shivalik Sharda Park?
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all are safe and doing well in this COVID-19 situation. पार्किंग के बारे में हम बात करें तो हमने यहाँ पे 3 टावर बनाए हैं. दोनों टावर के बीच में हमने 100 फीट का डिस्टेंस दिया है, जो कि सेला में सबसे ज्यादा डिस्टेंस देने वाली ये स्कीम है. हमने 45+ एमिनिटीज यहाँ पे दी है. कई सारी एमिनिटीज ऐसी है कि जो सिर्फ पार्किंग में ही आपको पाई जाती है, जैसे कि बैंक्वेट हॉल है, गेस्ट रूम्स है, मेडिकेल सेंटर है और पब्लिक यूटिलिटी स्टोर है. वो सिर्फ आपको पार्किंग में ही दिखेगा. पार्किंग 2 के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊँ तो ये पार्किंग 2 में बालकनी की बेनिफिट मिल रही है आपको. वहाँ पे 55+ एमिनिटीज बना रहे हैं, जैसे कि कारवॉश एरिया वहाँ पे हमने दिया है, सोलर पैनल दिया है. यानी फ्यूचर में आपको रनिंग मेंटेनेंस के लिए वो हेल्पफुल रहेगा. सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लान दिया है. प्लस वो रेसिडेंशियल एंड कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट है, यानी आपको कई सारी चीज़ें के लिए दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आपके बिल्डिंग में से ही वो पूरा मिल सकता है। और सॉरी, और आप देखोगे तो फ्लैट्स आपको इधर रोड फेसिंग मिलेगा या फिर एमिनिटीज फेसिंग मिलेगा, जिसका आपको कोई पीएलसी चार्जेस देना नहीं रहता है। यानी जो फर्स्ट आता है उसको हम सेल कर देते हैं, यानी नो पीएलसी चार्जेस फॉर दैट।
Thank you, Mr. Makwana. Moving on to you, Mr. Patel. A lot of our viewers are also investors. What should they bank on? What is the scope of development in this area?
स्कोप ऑफ डेवलपमेंट के मुताबिक पूरे अहमदाबाद में एज पर डेवलपिंग एरिया सेला एक ऐसा एरिया है जिसमें गवर्नमेंट में पहले रोड डेवलप किए हैं, उसके बाद कंस्ट्रक्शन की परमिशन दी है, जिससे फ्यूचर में पार्किंग की सुविधा और ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम कम रहेगा। सेकंड, 200 फुट रिंग रोड और एसजी हाईवे से नज़दीक होने के लिए इसलिए पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन और कनेक्टिविटी इजीली अवेलेबल है। थर्ड, एरिया एमिनिटीज में देखें तो लाइक हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, सुपरमार्केट एंड क्लब कल्चर ऑलरेडी डेवलप हो चुका है। फ्यूचर डेवलपमेंट, गवर्नमेंट के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने BRTS अनाउंस कर दिया है, वो औड़ा गार्डन्स बना रहे हैं और स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी भी खुल रही है। सो ऑल एंड ऑल, Sheila is a good developing area for actual users and investor too.
Thank you. Thank you. Coming to you, Ms. Khatri, are there any offers for prospective buyers?
Yes, actually, we are running a 3 type of payment flexibility, where first one is a down payment, जिसमें 60 days का you get a time to pay. If someone is having an extra fund to invest, they can always get a price benefit. This is what we are targeting for down payment rate. The other two is a regular plan, where one thing is subvention. Client has to pay 20% now, and their installment starts after BU permission, after possession. Yeah, and the other one is a construction link. Many of the client doesn't want to take a loan, but they are capable enough to pay from their pocket, so they can go with a construction link plan. Here right now in lockdown, as Kanal said, 100 million business we have already done. In that we have launched a 25,000 scheme, where client can easily book from their home. 25,000 is not a big amount that they have to think twice. And we have such a brand, Shivalik is such a brand, where they can have a certain trust. If I'm buying this particular project, particular unit, so they're not going to lose out any money out of it, right? So in that 25,000 scheme, we have booked quite a good unit in lockdown too. And there is a price protection also. If by December 2020, if we go down in a rate, they can get that benefit. Chances are less to do so, but they can get a price benefit, price protection till December 2020 also. So this is a very good scheme, and we are getting a very good response and hoping to get in future too. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Khatri. Thank you, panelists. Now, before we pick up questions from our audience, may I request Team Shivalik to walk us through a presentation of the project. Mr. Makwana, would you like to go ahead now?
Shivalik is a building landmark. Shivalik is a building landmark. हमारी जर्नी, शिवालिक की जर्नी 1996 में स्टार्ट हुई थी। तब से 2 डिकेड में हमने 60 प्लस लैंडमार्क कंप्लीट किए हैं, 70 लाख प्लस हमने स्क्वायर फीट का काम किया है, और 3600 प्लस हमने यूनिट डिलीवर किए हैं। हाल ही में हमने 2 नए प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किए हैं। एक शिवालिक लेक व्यू है, जो 4 BHK लग्जरियस बंगलो की स्कीम है, जो मणिपुर में है, और दूसरा है शिवालिक श्रद्धा पार्क व्यू 2, जो कमर्शियल एंड रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट है, जो शेला में है। शिवालिक लेक व्यू के बारे में आपको ज्यादा जानकारी चाहिए तो आप हमारी टीम से भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। आज हम पार्क व्यू 2 के बारे में बात करेंगे। ये जो एलिवेशन आप देख रहे हो वो पार्क व्यू 2 का है, जहाँ पे ग्राउंड फ्लोर एंड फर्स्ट फ्लोर कमर्शियल है, और सेकंड फ्लोर से लेके 14 स्टोरी तक पूरा रेसिडेंशियल आएगा। ये सेगमेंट में बहुत कम बिल्डर बालकनी दे रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे हम 3 BHK में बालकनी दे रहे हैं। ये 2 रोड कॉर्नर का प्रोजेक्ट है। वहाँ पे 45 मीटर्स का एक वाइड रोड बन रहा है, और एक दूसरा 18 मीटर्स का रोड बन रहा है। ये कमर्शियल एंड रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट है। तो मैंने बताया कि आप रेसिडेंशियल में जो रहते हैं उनको कहीं दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं रहती है, क्योंकि कई सारी चीजें हैं जो उनको अपनी बिल्डिंग में से ही प्रोवाइड हो सकती है। 2 टावर के बीच में 73 फीट का डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है। यानी एयर वेंटिलेशन के लिए वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है, और हर एक अपार्टमेंट को प्रॉपर सनलाइट मिलती है। और 45 मीटर्स के दूसरे ओर यानी पूरा ग्रीन एरिया रहेगा, यानी फ्रेश एयर आपको वहां से मिल सकती है। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। हमने सक्सेसफुली पार्क 1 कंप्लीट किया, उसके बाद हम पार्क 2 लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। ये हमारा सेकंड प्रोजेक्ट है शेला में, और हम देखें तो ये शेला एक मोस्ट डेवलपिंग एरिया है अभी। यहाँ पे आपको आजू बाजू में स्कूल, कॉलेजेस, हॉस्पिटल्स, रेस्टोरेंट, मल्टीप्लेक्स, टेम्पल, देरासर सभी नियर में आपको मिल जाता है। एसपी रिंग रोड से ये 2-3 मिनट की दूरी पर आया हुआ है, सो आजू बाजू के एरिया में आप इजीली एक्सेसिबल रह सकते हैं। और 45 मीटर जैसे बड़े रोड खुल रहे हैं तो फ्यूचर में आपको कोई ट्रैफिक की समस्या नहीं रहेगी। सराउंडिंग मैंने आपको बताया कि क्लब O7 है जो हमारी स्कीम से 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे टेम्पल, देरासर और कई सारी चीजें आपको नजदीकी मिल जाएगी। कोई अगर ट्रेन से कम्यूट करता है तो सानंद रेलवे स्टेशन है, सर्किट रेलवे स्टेशन है और आमली रेलवे स्टेशन आपको नियर में पाए जाएंगे। 45 मीटर्स का जो रोड बन रहा है वो सीधा घुमा रोड को टच होता है, वो जो 3.5 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है। और आजू बाजू में जो मैंने आपको स्कूल कॉलेजेस बताई, जैसे कि माइका कॉलेज है, डेंटल कॉलेज है, शांति एसआईटी स्कूल है, एकलव्य स्कूल है, जैसे कई सारी स्कूल 4 से 5 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे पाई जाएगी। और हॉस्पिटल जैसी बड़ी बड़ी हॉस्पिटल्स है, कृष्णा सेल्वी है, सानिध्य मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल है और सरस्वती मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल जो 4 से 5 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है। यहाँ पे कई सारे रोड ऑलरेडी ओपन हो गए, तो आप नजदीकी एरिया जैसे कि साउथ भोपाल, घुमा, मणिपुर और शांतिपुरा में इजीली एक्सेसिबल रह सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट। शेला में सबसे ज्यादा एमिनिटीज देने वाला ये पहला प्रोजेक्ट है, और एक ही प्रोजेक्ट है जो शिवालिक शारदा पार्क 2 है, जो यहाँ पे हम 55+ एमिनिटीज दे रहे हैं, जैसे कि कई सारी एमिनिटीज है, मिनी थिएटर, लाइब्रेरी, योगा रूम, बेबी क्रैश एरिया, इंडोर गेम्स, जिम्नेशियम है, बैंक्वेट हॉल, गेस्ट रूम, सोलर सिस्टम, कार वॉश एरिया, जैसी कई सारी एमिनिटीज हमने यहाँ पे दी हुई है। नेक्स्ट। हमारा सैंपल हाउस ऑलमोस्ट हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया है, और ये लॉकडाउन के बाद हम जल्दी ही वो लॉन्च करने वाले हैं। और ये एक रेरा अप्रूव्ड प्रोजेक्ट है। अगर आपको रेरा के बारे में जानकारी चाहिए तो आप हमारी टीम से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ये पूरा 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट है, जो सुपर बिल्डअप एरिया है इसका 1505 स्क्वायर फीट है, और कारपेट आपको मिलेगा 870 स्क्वायर फीट। ये फ्लोर प्लान आप देख रहे हो तो इसमें टोटल आपको 6 टावर दिखेंगे, और एक टावर में 2 ब्लॉक रहेंगे। हर एक फ्लोर पे 4 फ्लैट आपको दिखेंगे, और यहाँ पे हम 3 बेसमेंट बना रहे हैं, यानी हर एक अपार्टमेंट को एक कार पार्किंग अलॉटमेंट हम देते हैं। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। ये हमारे यूनिट प्लान है। जैसे ही आप घर में एंटर होते हो तो लिविंग रूम आएगा 10x15 का, जो कि स्पेशियस है। वहां से आप बालकनी में एक्सेस हो सकते हो। फिर देखोगे तो किचन एंड डाइनिंग एरिया कॉमन आएगा, उसके बाजू में वॉशर एरिया दिया है जहाँ पे आप अपना वॉशिंग मशीन भी सेट कर सकते हो। एक बेडरूम है 10x10 का, जहाँ पे हमने कॉमन अटैच टॉयलेट नहीं दिया है, कॉमन टॉयलेट दिया हुआ है। बाकी के दो रूम में हमने अटैच टॉयलेट दिया हुआ है। सारे के सारे फ्लैट एक जैसे बनेंगे, दूसरा कोई टाइप नहीं है यहाँ पे। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। जैसे कि मैडम ने बताया कि यहाँ हम 3 तरह के फ्लेक्सिबल पेमेंट प्लान दे रहे हैं। एक सबवेंशन प्लान है, दूसरा कंस्ट्रक्शन लिंक प्लान और तीसरा 60 डेज प्लान। सबवेंशन प्लान क्या होता है कि कस्टमर को एग्रीमेंट कॉस्ट का 20 नेक्स्ट प्लीज। सबवेंशन प्लान क्या होता है, कस्टमर को एग्रीमेंट कॉस्ट का 20% देना होता है बुकिंग टाइम पे। और अभी कोविड-19 के सिचुएशन में 25,000 से वो अभी घर बुक करवा सकते हैं। बाकी का 9,75,000 लॉकडाउन ओपन होने के बाद 60 डेज में उनको देना पड़ता है। लॉकडाउन के बाद हम उनकी लोन की एलिजिबिलिटी चेक करते हैं। अगर 80% की उनकी लोन हो जाती है तो टिल पोजीशन यानी BU तक उनका कोई भी EMI स्टार्ट नहीं होता है। जैसे जैसे कंस्ट्रक्शन होता जाता है वैसे वैसे बैंक हमें डिस्बर्समेंट देती है, और उस डिस्बर्समेंट का जो भी इंटरेस्ट आता है वो बिल्डर देता है। यानी कस्टमर को कोई कस्टमर का EMI स्टार्ट नहीं होता है। उनको दूसरा पेमेंट एट द टाइम ऑफ पोजीशन करना रहता है, वो है गवर्नमेंट चार्जेस और मेंटेनेंस डिपॉजिट। वो अपने अकाउंट में से देके दस्तावेज करवाते हैं, उसके बाद बैंक में EMI स्टार्ट होता है, और टोटल ये होता है 60 लाख रुपीज में। ये प्लान उनके लिए तो सबके लिए अच्छा तो है ही, पर उनके लिए बेस्ट है जो रेंट पे रह रहे हैं। अगर जो रेंट पे रह रहे हैं वो लोग अभी अपना घर 20% देके बुक करवा सकते हैं। बाकी का 80% उनका लोन हो जाता है, तो 3 साल तक उनको कोई EMI पे नहीं करना रहता है। वो सीधा 3 साल के बाद अपने घर के लिए दस्तावेज करवाता है, और अपने घर के लिए फिर वो बैंक में EMI पे करता है। सेकंड पेमेंट मैंने बताया था कि कि कंस्ट्रक्शन लिंक प्लान, अगर जिनके पास फंड रेडी है पर वो और वो लोन नहीं लेना चाहता है तो वो कंस्ट्रक्शन के हिसाब से हमें पेमेंट कर सकता है, यानी 20% दे के अभी बुकिंग करवा सकता है, बाकी जैसे जैसे स्लैब आता है वैसे वैसे वो पेमेंट कर सकता है। ये हमारे ऑनगोइंग प्रोजेक्ट है जहाँ पे शिवालिक A1U है जो कमर्शियल एंड रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट है जो बोडकदेव में है। शिवालिक सिल्व है जो शिवालिक सिल्व कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट है जो केशवबाग में आया हुआ है, पूरा कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग है 13 फ्लोर का। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। ये हमारी रेडी टू मूव प्रॉपर्टी है जो पार्किंग अभी हमने बताया कि सक्सेसफुली हमने कंप्लीट किया है, वो शेला में ही है। शिवालिक स्क्वायर जो न्यू वार्डेज में है, नेशनल हैंडलूम के बाजू में है और ये पूरा कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग है। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। शिवालिक लेगेसी 4 BHK एंड लग्जरियस अपार्टमेंट है। यहाँ पे हमारे पास अभी 2 यूनिट्स लेफ्ट है। शिवालिक सत्य में जो एसपी रिंग रोड पे बना हुआ है और वो पूरा 13 फ्लोर का कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग है। और शिवालिक सिल्व इस्कॉन क्रॉस रोड पे है, वो भी 13 फ्लोर का है और वो पूरा कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग है। अगर इसके बारे में आपको और कोई जानकारी चाहिए तो आप हमारी टीम से भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो और हमारी वेबसाइट पे भी लॉगिन कर सकते हो। थैंक यू। अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो आप हमारे चैट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हो।
Thank you, Mr. Makwana. Now we'll quickly move on to the audience questions. We've received a lot. We'll pick up the ones that we've received first, and in the interest of time, we'll try to accommodate as many as possible. My first question is for you, Mr. Makwana. This is a question coming in from Meher Prakash. How is Sheila in terms of development? Will an investment in a 3 BHK fetch me good returns? Mr. Makwana.
मोस्ट डेवलपिंग एरिया है और आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो क्लब ओसन ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है, कई सारे नए रोड्स खुल रहे हैं, यानी वाइड रोड वहाँ पे, यानी ट्रैफिक की कोई समस्या नहीं रहेगी। ओडा का गार्डन बन रहा है, ओडा का ऑडिटोरियम भी हमारे स्कीम से 800 मीटर दूर बन रहा है और वहाँ पे ओडा ने प्लानिंग भी किया है कि वो 1 लाख लीटर की वाटर टैंक भी बना रहा है, यानी वो वाटर सप्लाई के लिए वो स्मूथ रहेगा। फिर और हम देखें रिटर्न की बात करें तो पार्किंग वन जब हमने लॉन्च किया था वो 40,32,000 का था और आज उनकी कॉस्ट है 50,75,000, यानी ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट 3 ईयर में 20% जितना रिटर्न मिला है वहाँ पे।
Yes, Gautam Ahale asking us, what are the price trends for Shivalik Sharda Parkview in the last 18 months? Ms. Khatri, would you like to take that up, please?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. If you see, before 18 months, the price for Shivalik Parkview was around 41 lakh, and now it has reached to 51 lakh. So almost 15% rise you have already got in 18 months. Okay. And as Kunal discussed, in 3 years, it's almost a 20%. This is a very conservative side we are talking about. But many of our investors have got a very good return out of it, and still they keep on investing. We have very existing clients who keep on investing in one projects. They get a good return and they go for the another one. Okay.
Mr. Chindani, this is also around the price of the project and in the area. Viraj Nathan is asking us, what is the prevailing price of Shivalik Sharda Parkview compared to Sheila?
So Sheila comes under the affordable zone, and there is a limit of, you cannot construct more than 1,500 square feet in super built up with this affordable zone. Now, if I talk about the competition which is present in the nearby periphery, the price range from 2,900 to 3,100 depending on the quality of construction and the brand of the developer. If I am to speak about Shivalik Sharda Parkview 1 or Shivalik Sharda Parkview 2, the prices are competitive. They are not charging anything, beyond the market rate. It is varying in the price range which is existing in the market. So my suggestion would be to the customers would be that if you are getting a product which is of the same price in the market with a better quality, I think you should opt for a product which is better in quality. So yes, my statement would be that Shivalik Sharda Parkview 1 and 2 are competitively paired. They are not charging anything premium or extra, and also delivering a better quality as compared to other competition in the market.
Thank you for that. Now, Rohan Manchanda is asking us, what will be the expected rental income for a 3 BHK property from this project? Mr. Patel, would you want to take that up?
In 3 BHK, rental income is 70,000 rupees for unfurnished flat, or furnished 28,000 for furnished flat. So you can get easily for this amount.
So I would like to add on this. So Shela is very proximate to big industrial areas like Sanand, Pavla, Changodar. So this is all a logistics and a pharmaceutical hub. Ahmedabad is known for its pharmaceutical industry. Now, despite of COVID or any other pandemic, pharmaceutical company is going to survive. The jobs in the pharmaceutical industry and the logistic industries tend to be secured, and the people, salaried people who are residing in these affordable zones are actually the ones who are commuting to these big industrial areas. And which is why the demand is on the higher side. You see a lot of traction happening in the market, a lot of inventories getting sold, and you do not have to keep your flat vacant for a longer period of time. So like Mr. Kanal said, the range would be between 17,000 to 28,000 depending on the furnishing of the apartment which you offer.
Yes, another question coming in from Arjun Raval, who's asking, what are the maintenance charges for Shivalik Sharda Park View 2? Mr. Patel.
BU के डेट से 2 साल तक शिवालिक मेंटेनेंस करेगा, और उसके बाद मेंटेनेंस डिपॉजिट के साथ सोसाइटी को वो हैंड ओवर दिया जाएगा, और अप्रोक्सीमेटली उसके बाद मेंटेनेंस 1.5 मतलब पर स्क्वायर फीट पर मंथ 2200 प्रति महीना शायद कस्टमर को आ सकता है.
Thank you, Mr. Patel. The next question is from Kirtan Desai, who's asking, can you tell me about open area in this project and amenities for young families? Mr. Makwana, could you pick that up?
30,000 का ओपन एरिया, कॉमन एरिया दिया हुआ है. दोनों टावर के बीच में हमने 73 फीट का डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है, यानी एयर वेंटिलेशन अच्छी तरह से रहेगा, और सनलाइट भी हर एक अपार्टमेंट को प्रॉपर मिलेगा. और एमिनिटीज के बारे में मैंने ऊपर जानकारी ज्यादा दे दी है.
Thank you. Vincy Shah is asking us, I'm looking for home loan. Can PropTiger help me with this? Mr. Chandani.
Yes, we do have tie-up with several banks, so it is not a problem. So although this project is approved with most of the financial institutions. So as and when you are comfortable with whatsoever financial institution, we are there to assist you.
Ms. Khatri, coming to you, Ayushman Desai is asking us, does the developer charge anything extra for the facilities provided, such as library, swimming pool, lounge, etc.?
We don't charge anything extra for that facility. That is for the client only, and all is included in the cost actually.
Now, Kumud Jadeta is asking us, how will you arrange for site visit and documentation at a time like this when most facilities are locked down? Mr. Chandani, would you like to address that?
So we can help him with the virtual view of the property, and since it is an under construction property, we will help with all the digital material which is required. So, and if the customer wants to make a payment, he can do it online. If at all he wants to go ahead with the purchase and wants to get the documentation done during the lockdown, we can send our office boys who are possessing proper health cards with proper permission from the authorities. But having said that, we have already given that lever to our clients that although transactions would be taken care after the lockdown gets over, it is just they need to make a payment of 25,000 or a minimum amount of token. Rest everything will be taken care by after the lockdown. For site visit, yes, we will help him definitely with all the digital tools possible.
Thank you. The next question is also for you, Mr. Chandani. This is coming from Mansukh Engineer. Will buying from an intermediary like PropTiger cost me more?
So the prices are going to remain same. In fact, we can offer you some competitive pricing. What we can help you with is to draw a comparison with other projects in the market. How is Shivalik better than the other projects? So we give some kind of commitment to our customers. So this is a zero brokerage service which we render to our customers. It is not going to be an additional cost for you to buy the property through us.
The next question is coming in from Hansal Madhwani. I'm new to Ahmedabad and I've heard in some webinars about the locality potential of Shela and researched as well, but I'm unsure about an investment right now. Will prices decrease or will it remain the same? Mr. Chandani, would you like to address that?
Can you please repeat the question once again?
Hansal Madhwani is asking us, I'm new to Ahmedabad and I have heard in some webinars about the locality potential of Shela and researched as well, but I'm unsure about an investment right now. Will prices decrease or will it remain the same? So this is basically a speculation.
Okay, so like we have already covered it in the previous discussion. There would be a price protection which would be offered by the developer. If you want to purchase the property, you can make a booking amount, and after the lockdown gets over, you are required to make the remaining payment in 60 days. If God forbid something happens and if the prices go down, you will be compensated for that, and your purchase would be the new, with effective the new rate of the new rate which is applicable. So you need not to worry about the prices going down or any kind of uncertainty. If you make a purchase and if something happens and you do not want to continue with the transaction, there is an option of cancellation as well, and we will not charge you anything for cancellation.
Oh, oh. Viraj Batliwala is asking us, I want to gift a 3 BHK property to my parents. I want to do a site visit as well. Can you elaborate how is this area for seniors? Both my parents have retired after a very active working lifestyle. Mr. Makwana, would you like to pick this up?
सबसे पहले तो ये सिटी एरिया से थोड़ा सिटी एरिया से बाहर आया हुआ है, तो ये लेस पोल्यूटेड है, यहाँ पे ग्रीनर स्पेस ज़्यादा है। सिक्योरिटी के बारे में बात करें तो हम 24/7 सिक्योरिटी देते हैं। इंटरकॉम की हम फैसिलिटीज़ भी देते हैं। यहाँ पे हम एमिनिटीज़ के बारे में बात करें तो वो एमिनिटीज़ यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि हमने सीनियर सिटीजन डेक बनाया हुआ है, गार्डन है, मेडिटेशन एरिया है और लाइब्रेरी है, जैसे कई सारी एमिनिटीज़ वो भी यहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं।
Okay, that's good. So I think that answers Mr. Batliwala's question. Moving on to the next question from Prince Sarabhai. I'm looking to invest for end use, but job uncertainty is a problem. I can arrange the funds and there is no problem in that, but does the developer offer any price protection scheme? Mr. Patel, this we have already discussed, but maybe Sarabhai has joined us late and I would like you to reiterate that.
Yes, definitely. ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन कोई भी कस्टमर शिवालिक में बुकिंग करेगा तो आफ्टर लॉकडाउन बुकिंग प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो जाने के बाद दिसंबर 2020 तक रेट बेनिफिट एश्योरेंस वो राइटिंग में उनको दिया जाएगा, जिससे वो कॉन्फिडेंस में रहे कि अगर कंपनी के हिसाब से कोई भी रेट कम हो रहा है तो उनको इजीली वो मिल जाएगा।
So I will add to this. Most of the developers are offering price protection, but no one is saying that we will give this in writing. So this is again a very strong USP which differentiates the developer from others, that they are giving whatever they are committing is that they are giving in writing. So it would be in writing at the time of ATS is done. If any price decrease is there or any change in the pricing towards the negative side happens, they would be compensated.
The next question is for you, Ms. Khatri. It's coming from Vipin and Anu Chaudhary. I would like Mr. Chandani also to reciprocate to this. How do you address after-sales grievances? We have had a bad experience with a previous builder because of after-sales experience. They did not wish to listen to us. I want to be sure that when we invest now, we invest in a sound project by a good developer. Mr. Khatri.
Yeah, I understand this problem. Actually, we do have a customer care team and they are doing a very good job. If any of the client is facing any problem, they solve this problem ASAP because our managing directors gives decisions very fast, and we believe customers are our pride. And the Shivalik brand has not because we are making a nice design building only, but we look after our client also. Many a time we ask suggestions from our client to improve our services, and the main parameter is obviously location, design and delivery on time is there. Quality of construction we always look after, but customer service is a main parameter of the business. Secondly, transparency. From the day one we join with our client, we always keep a transparency. Every little thing we provide. If we cannot provide, we tell them straight away that this is not going to happen. Most of the people are unsatisfied after the sales because they have been given a wrong commitment. Here this process is completely different. Our dealing with a client is different from the other businesses. Thank you.
Mr. Chandani, would you also like to give some advice for home buyers? What should they look out for before investing?
During these tough times, if there are a lot of uncertainties happening in the market, you should stick to a very reputed brand and a very well-known developer to make a property purchase. Now it is, to have ample of products available in the market, but what stands out different is the capability and the ability of a developer to stand on its commitment. So if you have to make a decision in a tough time like this, you should stick to a branded developer. Like Ms. Mage has already addressed that for them the customer satisfaction is of utmost priority. So this would be my suggestion, that stick yourself to a renowned developer. Do your research well. Just do not go blindly and make your purchase. Have a basic homework done about the developer before making any purchase decision.
The next question is coming in from Ravi S. Dave, who's asking, can I book a property online? Is virtual site visit safe and genuine? Please guide. Mr. Chandani.
Yes, you can book the property online. You can make a payment transfer through online transfer, and virtual site visit is not available for this product. Yes, but in short time we'll be able to help you with that, and it is absolutely safe. There is nothing to worry about. If things do not go well, like I earlier mentioned, that if things do not go well, we are there to assist you, and if you want to cancel the product, we will refund your amount in 100%.
Okay. The next question is from Bhavik Rana, who's asking, my budget is about 55 lakhs and I'm looking for ready possession flat. What are the options available for me, either here or in your previous project?
So I will take this up. So we have both the options. Budget is 55 lakhs. The client has to be a bit flexible in maybe by 5 to 10%. Both the options are available, both in ready to move and under construction. It depends on the client's usage and requirement. So you can drop in your inquiry in the Q&A or chat box. We will, after the webinar, we will get in touch with you.
Thank you. Too many questions are pouring in. We'll be picking these up and passing it on to the developer. But in the interest of time, we'll have to wind this up with a closing remark from each one of you. Starting with you, Ms. Khatri.
Sorry, say again.
We'll wind up the webinar now because of lack of time. So we'd like to hear a closing remark from each one of you.
Okay, thank you so much for joining today. It's a great pleasure being here and representing Shivalik Group. I hope you all will stay safe and healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Khatri.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you, Sneha.
Thank you. Mr. Makwana, any last thoughts?
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, आपने अपना कीमती टाइम निकाल के हमारे पास ज्वाइन हुए और थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. Mr. Chandani.
So I would like to thank all the participants who have spared out some time despite of the financial minister going live on TV and making some important announcements. You have spared some time to watch our webinar. Second, I would like to wish you all a happy, safe health, and you should stay home and stay safe. For all your property needs, we are there to assist you. Also, in case of any unanswered question or query, there are lots of questions still pouring in. If you have some more queries, you can drop in your queries in the Q&A box. After this webinar gets over, we will get in touch with you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, panelists, for being
Thank
with us
you.
today and answering the queries. Thank you, viewers, for joining us on Project Talk on a Sunday. We hope to have answered some of your queries today. Should you have any more questions, our representatives will get back to you. I can see that my panel is full of questions right now. We'll be getting back to you. You could also use our social media handles to drop in these queries. So it's yet another episode of Project Talk. You stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.